We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the VOLTRX electric protein shaker bottle. This USB rechargeable mixer cup is designed for shakes and meal replacements, made from BPA-free Triton material with a 24-ounce capacity. It promises one key stirring with an intelligent system that automatically shuts off after 30 seconds, eliminating the need for manual shaking. The bottle uses an alternating powerful and high-speed vortex to blend powders smoothly, aiming to deliver lump-free protein shakes that resemble the consistency of milk. The removable design facilitates easy cleaning by exposing residual powder directly to the cup, preventing odors from developing over time. The Vortex mixing system operates quietly, comparable to the sound of typing on a keyboard. The bottle is constructed from non-toxic, odorless materials that resist powder sticking, and it features a leak-proof sealing design on both the screw-on lid and base. An adjustable carrying ring adds portability, allowing users to easily attach it to keys or bags. Users have praised the solid build quality of the bottle, noting it is sturdier and of higher quality than many shaker bottles they have previously purchased. The screw lid is convenient and secure, and once the stirring base is screwed into the bottom, users report no leaks. Cleaning is straightforward, typically involving warm water and dish soap, with the mixer running briefly to clear out residual powder. The USB-C charging port is protected by a waterproof silicone plug, enhancing durability. Operation is simple with a single power button that starts and stops mixing, and the mixing cycle is efficient, generally completing in under a minute. While the motor can be somewhat noticeable during operation, it is not excessively loud, and some users suggest noise may depend on how the powder is added relative to the water. One reviewer with arthritis appreciated how the electric shaker relieved the strain on their hands from manual shaking, making it a valuable purchase for those with limited hand mobility. The bottle's aesthetic appeal and ease of use were also highlighted. However, some users found the mixer less effective when mixing thicker or more viscous ingredients such as yogurt, peanut butter powder, or meal replacements with added texture, noting that the motor can bog down under these conditions. Despite this, the company has shown excellent customer service, responding to concerns with refunds and sending upgraded, more powerful versions of the shaker to dissatisfied customers. The absence of sharp blades makes this shaker safe for all ages, including children, and it has become a favorite for mixing coffee drinks with sugar, cream, or even ice cream, and whipped cream for a quick Starbucks-like experience. Its portability and ease of cleaning make it a practical tool for home or on-the-go use. The battery life is sufficient for multiple uses before needing a recharge, and the product's design includes clear instructions and warranty registration information, which some users found charming due to its playful translation. Overall, the VOLTRX electric protein shaker bottle is recommended for those seeking a durable, easy-to-use, and portable mixer that reduces manual effort and delivers smooth shakes. It excels at basic protein powder mixing and light smoothie blends, but may struggle with thicker mixtures. Its leak-proof design, quiet operation, and quality materials justify its price point. Users are encouraged to leave their own reviews to help others make informed decisions. The product link is provided in the description to support the channel and assist viewers interested in purchasing this versatile gadget.